Yeah, welcome to Easy Learning Tutorial on YouTube. Thank you for watching this YouTube. You are welcome. What I have for you today is simplify, which we call trigonometry. Then let's go to the solution to this. Then look at this, look at solution. This question is saying sin n cube theta plus sin n theta cos square theta all over cos theta. Before we go into this question, I have to give you 1 out of 5 prove identity. What we call prove identity is what we call constants on these trigonometric functions. Are you get what I'm saying now? This trigonometry, we have what we call prove identity. I'm going to drop 1 for you today, which you put in your mind. You have to have it offhand. That means you have to memorize it, store it in your storage device in your memory, so that at any time you bring it out. Let's see the proof identity. They say I should do this. I will not say but. Why am I saying but? But means that there's something I know. There's something I know which is called proof identity. That says sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. What does it mean? That this square plus this square is equals to 1. Meaning that where I see this person like this, I can use 1 to substitute it. Or when I see 1 like this, I can use this to replace it. That's what I mean, that this plus this is equals to 1. It's a constant. That's what we call proof identity. This is number 1 proof identity I'm going to draw for you today. Means that this can be used to replace 1, or 1 can be used to replace this. So it means that when I said you are equal to me, what it means that whoever that sees you have seen me. Whoever that sees me have seen you. Just like say Christ and what? God. Whoever that sees Christ have seen God. Whoever that see God have seen Christ. That's what I mean. You are equal to. So now, this can be stated this way: cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. You see that the position is immaterial. You know why I'm writing this? So that when you see this, you will not say that because this one is this, that in position is immaterial. This and this are the same. Also note that sine square theta is the same thing as sine theta or square. So this man is same thing as this. Or cos square theta is same thing as cos theta or square. I think you have to note this. So that when I see this is something else, or this is equal to this. Let's go and clear ourselves here. We have this sine cube theta plus sine theta cos square theta all over cos theta. This man can be written. I see that sine is here, sine is here. I can now bring one side out. By sine theta out, I will have inside this place sine square theta, which is 1. This is 3 number. I remove 1. It will remain 2. Plus, this man will go, right? I have cos square theta all over cos theta. Somebody will say how? What I did is sine is here, sine is here. I divide through by sine. This is one sine that is here. I divide through by one sine. When you divide this by sine, I will have cos square theta. When I divide this by sine, how many sine is here? 3. When I divide through by one sine, it will destroy itself. It means that this sine cube theta means sine theta times sine theta times sine theta. I think you get me right. Sine theta times sine theta times sine theta give me sine cube theta. Are you get what I'm saying now? So if I have this sine square theta, it means sine theta times sine theta. I can write it as sine square theta. I think you are clear with it. So now, that's what I did here. If we now divide this by 1 sine theta, it will destroy 1, leaving me with this. And this times this will give me 2 of this. Are you here? Then I can clear this. Let's go to what we have. I'm just using it to explain to you what I need here. So now, you remember our proof identity. Come over here. you remember our proof identity that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. So what am I seeing inside that bracket? I'm seeing sine squared theta. I'm seeing sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. Then I can use 1 to replace him over there. I can use 1. And I have sine theta into 1 all over cos theta. Is that what I mean? I've used 1, this one, to replace this man over here. Look at him over there. I've used it to replace it here. So what I'm having here will give me sine theta over cos theta, and that will give me tan. Sine over what? Cos will give me what? Tan. That means my answer here is tan theta. Therefore, if I simplify this, what I'm going to have is what? Tan theta as my what? Answer. Remember it now again, that sine theta over cos theta will give me what? Tan. We have gotten it. And this is what I have for you today. If you love this channel, share it, subscribe. Subscription is free. Subscribe and share it to your friends. And also comment if you love this channel. Love it. Love it. Share to your friends. Comment. Thank you. That's what